I need a little trailer for all the little shells. Hello, and welcome to Platty Nerf Shop. Do you like shooting all the different kinds of ammunition for Nerfs? All the different ones, and even the ones who aren't Nerfs? I do. I like shooting them all. And sometimes, if you're playing a game with some, like, special zombies or something, you'll need a magic ammo like big rockets or mega or something like that to take them out because they are tricky, or for shields and things. Anyway, I find that because I am small, there's a news. You did not expect me to say I was small, but yes, I am small. It is very hard for me to use a lot of them. In fact, let me show you how tricky it is. Look, see? This is a Boomco, 5 Boomco darts. This rapid madness, you have to pump it about 20 times. Do you know how hard it is to pump it 20 times? Anyway, job for another day. If you can pump it up, it will take me like a zip and it'll be all gone, and then I'll have to pump it up again. But it's only for the bunker. But look how big. Then we have normal Nerf dart size. We have all kinds of streamlined, AQ strike, dart zone, waffles. Some can fire whistly darts or sticky darts or other things that will fit in a barrel and magazine depending what you have. This AQ strike, Raptor strike, is a bit big. Oh, it's good for being snipery, but it is very, it's very tricky when you are little. Oh no. Okay. This is a mega dart. Oh, they are like big sausages. And this is a mega blaster. It is a heavy SR. It is cool. But while you are looking all cool and snipery, it is okay. But what if you have to move? I can move about on it. I can sit where I like. I am so small, I can sit on the end of the barrel. Can you sit on the end of the barrel and then not fall over? It is too big. I will go under now. This is so cool. This is a Rival Hades. It fires Rival HIR rounds, high impact rounds. I might check calculator. Anyway, this is very cool, but again, it is enormous. It is so heavy. Very hard for me to move. The rocket launcher. He is so cool, especially with that chompy teeth. This is a rocket. This is a sort of, normally Demolisher Rocket is what everyone calls it. It is almost as big as me. But I can't fire this blaster because it is a hamp. I can't be in both places to pump it and fire it. This is a problem for big zombies or shields. Just that very new ammo. Look, MegaXL. It's so good, and they fly nice and straight if you have extra power. This, although it is a cool blaster, it is quite hard for me to use. Because oh no, it is all falling off. Oh, never mind. It is tricky to use if these things are also ginormous. Look at this. Look, it is all too big. Something must be done. There's good news. We have a 3D printer now. Yay! And you know what's more yay? We found some stuff that you can print for free. That is awesome. I may have a contender. Do you know there is a blaster called the Nerf Rival Knockout? As you can see, this is more my size. But there is just one problem, it is only firing rifle. Let's fix that. Hello, and we are back. Okay, now we have the Nerf Rival Knockout. It is a good blaster and it fires pretty hard for what it is, which means we can use its power. Presenting the Nerf Platypus, yay! I did not name this. The amazing person on Thingiverse that created this combination did it. It is so cool. I will put a link in the description for the Thingiverse so you can print them out yourself. It is very cool. The platypus can use 2 different types of shell depending on how you put it together. We chose the Spring Thunder shells because there are already lots of ways to combine them into using different ammo. Or you can use the Flypoint shells. They're also cool. I think this is all G-Dot and Shellington and stuff. It works as you open it up and then you pop the shell in, which is a breech load, and you can fire all kinds of different Nerf ammo. Let's see the shells. This is the fun bit. Oh look, the MegaXL. You fire the Megas. And then we have the Rival shell. You can fire up to 3. So depends how much you want to shock. Hello, nothing to see here. This is the Rival shell and you can fire 1, 2 or 3. The less you put in, the faster it goes. More fips. Very exciting. This one is a very clever shell. It's like a kitchen sink shell. That's what they called it. Fire Rival or Whistly Dart or any of these streamliney darts. That is useful. Very useful. It means it is perfect with scavenging shell. In fact, this is one of the best all-rounders, I think, because you can find most things that people will be using. But then I thought, what about the big, the really big ammo? There are no Spring Thunder shells for that. You can't fire the big ammo from the Spring Thunder shell. So I made my own. This here is the one we made. It's got an extra bit to be like a spigot launcher. And we fire Demolisher Rocket, Whistly Darts, and then all the other kind of darts you can think of, including Buzzbee Dart and Boomco. We were clever. The Boomco you slide in all the way to the bottom. It is a tapered bore. Kaboom. Then there was one more. There's one more ammo we did not have a way of launching, but the rocket worked well. So I thought, MegaXL. Oh. So I made a MegaXL shell. Was the first thing I drew on the new 3D thing. So cool. MegaXL, check. Whistly Dart, check. AccuStrike, check. Normal dart, dart zone dart, cheap dart, dart. X-short dart. Did I say these all fire X-short darts or these special ones you see here? And sticky dart. but I did not do it to fire the Boomco or the old Busby. I wanted to have one that was a bit more snug on the end. I probably could have made it fire the Boomco, but that's not important right now. It's quite pokey. I think I might get out the chronograph. Hello, and welcome to the Platty Balistic range. Actually, it's just a chronograph on a table, but shh. So we can manage. Anyway, this is the Platypus. It is so cool. I am a Platypus too. And it is very clever. You just use a knockout and you take all the top pieces off and you print off all the pieces inside and you assemble it, and the only extra thing you need are maybe some rubber sort of washers, some seals like this, O-rings, and some magnets. So you get some little magnets and they are super cheap, of something like Amazon or somewhere. And you just glue them in the right way. So when you open it, it is clever. Look, you've got magnets help hold it closed. And you push that button. And the other magnets open it. And it's so cool because it's like it's all spring-loaded looking. Even though it's just magnets, it's so cool. Anyway, firing demo, my assistant will help because there's a lot of ammo to use. And you might get bored of watching me do all the loadings. Number 1. Mega ammo. Oh, that's good for Mega any day of the week. Oh yes. What next? I think we try the rival one. We will put all 3 in for this one. 1, 2, one more. Thank you. Ready? Wow, 60 with 3. That's good. Okay. This time we'll try 2. Push him to the bottom. Oh, that didn't go well. Try again. Mr. Chrono. It is also tricky because we are trying to chrono more than one. So sometimes you don't get a good reading. Oh, try again. Oh, 60 again. Oh, let's try 1. Let's do the 1. Okay. Here we go. Ready? 87! Whoa! That is probably not far off the knockout before we started. Do we need to check? Okay, we have a normal knockout and we will just do a quick check to see what the difference is. Oh, that's interesting. Do another one. Oh, I wonder how much difference taking the air restrictor out was. Maybe quite a bit. Anyway, we have the Mega was cool, and the rival one was cool. Let's have the kitchen one. The kitchen sink. I won't sing. start with a rival. One rival. Oh, take out the empties. Ready? Whoa. Another rival. That's a better aim. 65! That's quite respectable, really. Now we do normal darts. The other cool thing about this is that because it is short, you can just front load it. You don't even have to open it for these. Accu strike. 82. X shot. He missed. Have another go. Whoa, 95. Okay, now we try dot zone. Oh, 80. Whoa, this is so good. Right, yeah, come back. Cheap waffle. 75. Now, normal Nerf dart. The 490 coloured pretty one. Whoa, 70. 76. Okay, look. It doesn't mind if you got a big head, which is useful, which means you can find Whistleys. Not many people use Whistleys these days. Oh. Oh, 60. That's a bit slow. Never mind, it's close enough. Next, we will try the... Which one do you want? You want that one? Okay, we'll do that one next. We are going to do the rocket spike one. Oh, you want to do the rocket first? No, you do the rocket last. This one's got extra O-rings. Improved seal. We are doing normal waffle first. 106? That's so much. What do you want to do now? Oh, dart zone. No, that 2. Try again. I think you did it well. 79. Oh, slower. What do you want to try now? Oh, you really? Busby. Okay. 67 for Busby. Waffly. Not waffly, whistly. It's a bit loose. $61. X shot. Oop. Yeah, it's a bit big. Ah, rubbish. We need to get more X shot. 2 sec. Okay, try again. $104. So much power. Next one. Oh, Accu strike. Striking accurately. Oh, it goes in. Oh. Left hand. 102! Yay! Have we not already done this one? Maybe? I don't know. $95! Oh, they're all good. Now, this is a cheap sticky. Does cheap sticky fly? Let us try. 99! Oh, now, something clever. The boom cow. The shell part. It's tapered. Oh, it vacuum loaded and spat out. Oh no, where did it go? Okay, loading the boom cow. Shake it down. As long as you don't tip it up, it's going to be good. Wow, look at it go. That felt more than 65. Okay, now, prime. We're going to go for the rocket. Oh, yay! This is exciting. You ready now? Don't shoot that bit. Up a bit. Up. No, you're being silly. Ready, go! Wow, we managed to get a we Chrono the rocket. We might give it another go, but yeah. Okay, let's try some more. Wow, yeah, 42. They are big, really big. And there's a lot of dead space in the chamber. Oh, 39, yay! They fly about the same as the rocket launcher, really. They're not the easiest thing to chrono either. But anyway, they fly well enough. Oh, next one is the MegaXL one. I can't wait. We even did the writing on it. It was good fun. So first, Whistly Dart. Oh, are you sure this is a good idea? That is very snug. Is that in? We try. Whoa! I didn't think it would be that tight, but okay. Next up we have Aku Strike. Wow. This is a very snug barrel. Whoa! You need to aim better. Never mind. We'll try one of the others. We're not going to keep stopping. People will get bored. Okay. This is a normal one. Whoa! 88! Yay! It is a bit snug. We can always print another one. What is next? Normal Nerf. Normal Nerf. In you go, normal Nerf. No more streamline it. Ready? Whoa! That is kind of sting. We already started calling these stinger shells, Platty stinger shells. Do you get it? One more type. Oh no, two more types. Sticky dart. You missed. How did you miss? It was right in front of you. Try the X one. See, X shot. Oh, that makes up for the miss. Okay, do you want to do the big one? Oh, I'll get it for you. Oh, yay. Oh, new ammo type. This is cool. Yeah! 51! That is good. Can we do some more? Yeah, do some more? Here we go. Another one. Whoa, 52. It's pretty consistent. I don't know if you did that one right. Prime first. Ready? Yeah! Okay, it's pretty good. I think it'll fire quite well. Certainly keep up with all the normal giant blasters. But it's big, it's the right size for me. Look. Yeah. Whoa! This might look silly, but it is much easier than the rest. In fact, I need a little trailer for all the little shells. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.